Hi everyone, welcome to this series on English tenses. Today we will discuss about present continuous tense. Are you ready? Let's start. Our first question is when to use present continuous tense. We can use present continuous in following situations: actions happening now, temporary situations, new trends, habits or repeated actions. Let's discuss one by one with examples. Our first point is actions happening now. When we talk about something that is happening right now. For example, I'm studying. I'm writing an email. She is cooking dinner. These all actions are happening in present situations, not past, not future, and present. We can use present continuous for temporary situations. Let's understand with examples. She is working as a freelancer until she finds a full-time job. It means she is doing a temporary job until she finds a full-time job. They are living in a hotel until their new house is ready. This sentence explains a temporary living arrangements until they build a new house. We can also use present continuous to talk about a trend. A trend is something that is developing. For example, online learning platforms are gaining popularity. In this sentence, the action of gaining popularity is ongoing. So, with ongoing processes, we use present continuous tense. Always remember, if the subject is he, she, it, you need to use the auxiliary verb is. Similarly, I am, we are, you are, they are. Let's discuss the sentence structure of present continuous tense. To form simple sentences, you need to follow the following structure. First, you need to put the subject, then helping verb is, am, are, then main verb with ing form. Let's look into the example. I am studying. She is working. To form negative sentences, you just need to add not after helping verb is, am, are. Let's understand with examples. I am not studying. She is not working. And to form interrogative sentences, you need to add the helping verb in first position. Is, am, are, then subject, then verb with ing form. For example, am I studying? Is she working? Thanks for watching.